Good morning everyone, I'm Alex. Welcome at the day 3 at the Geneva Motor Show. Today it's the public day, so I've been on the 2-day of press, but I couldn't make you a review of the G-Wagon and the GT 4 doors. So there we are. Here is the totally brand new GT 4 door. It's an AMG 4-liter V8. So let's discover the car as well when there is nobody here on the stand. So that's the matte blue that has been presented. We do have in white as well, but it's a 53 AMG, and here we do have the 63S AMG blue matte. Incredible rims are here, so let's check the car. 4-liter V8, 585 horsepower that we're going to discover. I can show you the fish, the technical digital fish as the paper, not the fish technique. But we don't have a lot of things here. We do have weight, so more info through the garage. But there it is, 21 inches rims, incredible. The front grille, they have left it for all the IMG's model, LED lights as well to make a difference for the car. We do have an A-Class, and that's in white that we're going to see it later, but here it is. Wonderful IMG brake, carbon ceramic brakes. That's a Ferg airbag, so V8 B-turbo 4matic, incredible. So we're gonna check the inside just later, but let's check the rear of the car as well. When you do have this new LED lights, new shape of the lights, the GT63S AMG. Who could believe? 4 exhaust system, fully in chrome, and all the black and chromes just surrounding the car. And it's the front concurrent of the brand new Panamera. So it almost looks exactly like, not the Panamera, but the same dimensions, but totally differently. Look at the inside of the car. Stitched. So wonderful configuration. Let's step in. You do have some space for the legs, armrest, and that's all the front of the car with these bucket seats. Totally for the IMG model. And let's step at the front of the car with an IMG here on the step. IMG bucket seats, logo, stitching, diamond stitchings, really pure, wonderful. They're doing just a preparation for all the Mercedes team, and that's the inside of the car. So you do have that console that has totally new, has changed. You do have a lot of buttons. I don't know if, no, we can turn it like just the power, but you have everything illuminated, and the console just goes right here. It's so weird because it looks like an S-Class, E-Class, and a GT on the same time. You do have these 2 screens, the massive screen just here in the middle for like 12.3 inches as regular. You do have the new steering wheel as well. So that's here, the wood, the stitching. It hasn't really changed for all the dashboard, but the inside is very nice. You do have this panoramic, you do have the open roof, and that's all the rear seats. So that's great, 12.3 inches. Let's check it. So you do have all the options, and nothing is working on this car, but we have to light it on to be more checked inside of the car, but that's it. We're gonna check the boot as well. Fully electric boot, and the boot has really, for surprisingly, a lot of space inside of the boot. So that's it, and we're gonna check the white version of the car as well. Ta-da! And you do have the A-Class, just by the way. So the white version is the 53 AMG Turbo, and it has a black, like kind of black pack, and fully in black inside. So that's the boot. You have other exhaust system, but everything here black and white and red here is also perfect. So that's the front. It also has that kind of grille right here with all the black rims, but we don't have the AMG ceramic brake, steel brakes here, the grille, the LED lights, and it's a 3-liter V6 probably. We really don't have a lot of you see, we don't have a lot of things to tell you about it, but yeah, that's the car in white and tinted windows as well. So that's the rear. You also have some other modifications for the seats. Yes, please. And that's the front of the car. When you do this time have carbon, that's great. And you do have almost fully in black and carbon inside. Even the steering wheel is different. And there it is. So yeah, thank you guys for watching all the Mercedes, the GT 4-door. Very quick review because we don't have enough information to explain. We do have two models, 53 and 63S AMG, that is just right here. So wonderful Mercedes stand. As every year we do have AMG model, we do have a special Maybach that is just here, but nothing really special to show except the colors. But yeah, I'm going to just show you the beast, the old brand new beast, the G-Wagon here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope that you guys appreciated the videos of the AMG GT 4-door. And yeah, I'm leaving you here at the Mercedes stand here at the Geneva Motor Show. So yeah, don't forget, subscribe, thumbs up, and see you very, very soon, and have an exceptional day. Bye!